So some of you are asking yourself, how the heck is this important to learning Python? And what exactly is the Zen of Python? Well, to answer your first question, I have to tell you a bit about how this course is going to be taught. My teaching style and general view on professional life follows a very simple rule. Fundamental success for future growth. Simply saying, if you have a foundational understanding of the subject, then that lays the groundwork for further growth in that subject. Something like Vince Lombardi's brilliant at the basics. By answering the question of why the Zen of Python is important, you'll understand why some of its tenets are built into the design of the Python language. It will also help you understand some general foundational principles of good programming practices. We'll revisit the Zen of Python in Module 6 after we've mastered Python's major functionalities and discuss how it is applicable to our experiences with Python and beyond. To answer your second question, the Zen of Python is an Easter egg of sorts. In plain speak, it's a piece of code embedded into Python's programming language that you can access by simply writing a phrase, import this. By Module 6, you will have learned what an import statement is and what invoking that statement actually is doing behind the scenes. But for now, let's try out this Easter egg. So right here, I'm going to open up my PyCharm 2019.3.3 integrated development environment. And just we'll go ahead and create a new project. And we'll call this project the Zen of Python. And just like in the how to install PyCharm installation video, we have to make sure we have a interpreter already selected, which it is, and we'll create and open up a new window. Since I've had other projects opened up working on Python as well. So we'll open up a new file, and it will be a Python file. Try that again. And we'll call this the Zen. All right. And now this is a blank .py file. And that's what we'll call these Python files from here on out. .py, and we'll simply state import this. Now you can see that the interpreter changed colors for a moment, and it highlighted import orange because it's a special statement. We'll again learn what that means later on in the course. So now we'll go ahead and hit run, and then run this Zen of Python, and here the Zen of Python pops up in your console down in the bottom of your IDE. This is the console display. We'll get very familiar with this display over the course of this Python programming language course. And here you can see the tenets by Tim Peters. Now that we see these 19 principles written by the software engineer and influential Python contributor Tim Peters, some of these principles are satirical, like number 11, which is, although that way may not be obvious at first unless you're Dutch, which I'm not exactly sure what that means, and I don't think anybody really knows what that means. But I'm pretty sure the Dutch don't really appreciate it. But most are truly influential to the Python design. So now if you haven't already gone to Module One's writing assignment and followed the instructions, uh, I would ask you to go ahead and go to Module One to the writing assignment, and I look forward to your reading your submissions moving forward.